Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to create a simple YouTube thumbnail on CapCut. This tutorial is only going to last for 5 minutes, so sit tight and let us get into it. Before we continue, please kindly support me by sharing this video with your friends and family. Tell them to subscribe and share it with their friends as well. Thank you so much. Now let's quickly dive in.
To create a thumbnail, click on remove background, then choose the picture you want to use. This is my pictures you've seen, so I've changed the background. That background you're seeing is going to disappear. Then I move the picture around and place it in the position I want it to be. You can see what I'm doing in the screen. I'm moving it. It's just very simple. Once you go there, you can just move it around with your hands. Then next thing you want to do is to change the color of the background. I like white, so I'm choosing white. If you like, you can always change the background, but for now we are using the white background. As you can see, there's a space down there where you can enter text. You enter the text you want on your thumbnail. See what I'm doing? You can see what I'm doing. I'm trying to type. I'm looking for what to type. It's very easy once you open it. Remember, the one you're using, the one you will be clicking on is change background to bring you to this place that we are right now. So right now, I'm trying to come up with a good title for my thumbnail. Changing the colors. If you want to change the color, just click on style. Click on style to change the color to any color you want. You can also change the font. Change anything you want in the title. If you don't like the title, you can always come up with a new title. So while we are doing this, if you don't understand, feel free to ask me in the comment section. So as you can see, I'm trying to position my title very well, because I want it to be attention grabbing, so I'm trying to place it well. One thing you need to know about thumbnail is that you have to be very particular about the titles, because that's what will draw the audience in. That's what is going to make the audience click on your thumbnail. So you have to be very particular about it. And then the picture that you're using, as you can see, Megan, the actress in the picture, she has a very attention grabbing reaction on her face that will draw the audience in. Over here now, I have changed the background. Yeah, the background is very easy to change, just like that. I'm changing the text all over again. I'm changing it because I don't think the first one was attention grabbing enough. Guys, you need to be very, very particular about your titles. Your titles are what draws the audience in. As you can see, this is just a tutorial video. If this was my actual title, it would probably be more attention grabbing than what you're seeing on the screen. So guys, you need to come up with something attention grabbing. If you can't come up with anything by yourself, just go to Chat GPT, look for an attention grabbing title for your thumbnail, and it will give you one. Okay, or you can just search and check out the ones your favorite creators are using. Yes, as you can see, I'm still playing around with the titles. The titles, I told you that you can just click on this style and you can get any style you want, any font. There's font there, you can click on the font if you don't like the font. You can also change the color of your title. You can change it to any style you want, basically. So guys, this is it. Very simple. I'm just placing the title in a very good place, strategic place. You don't want to put the style very close to the bottom, because when you do that, the audience is not going to see it, you know. When you bring it downwards like this, the audience is not going to be seeing what you're doing. Remember to click on remove background when you want to change a thumbnail. Remove background, that's where you're clicking on. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Take care.